Hello, here is Gabriel Katona, and in this video I am going to show you an ebook. And in this ebook you will find a tool which will help you to make your best decision between a series of two or three or much more options. This is a very powerful tool, but before jumping in deep in the ebook, I want to ask you this. Are you a leader, a CEO of or a company owner of a mid-sized company or a large company in this moment? And if you answer yes to this question, then this video is for you because the information from this ebook will help you make your best decisions from more than two or three options. So let's jump into the ultimate guide to the weighted decision matrix. Making a decision by weighing all options could be a very tough and very hard process to go. Imagine the toughest choice you have had to make this year. Hard, wasn't it? Would you like to make your next big decision easier and be confident in the result? You are then in the right place. Decision making is part of everyday life. You make decisions from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. Every hour of the day is full of decision making scenarios, whether you are at home with your family, at school, teaching, learning, working, or relaxing. Most of the time, the decisions you take are easy to make. Some of the time, you need some help to decide. Occasionally, you face a tough decision that scrambles your mind, raises stress levels, and potentially might cause issues with friends, colleagues, boss, or family. Wouldn't it be great if you could demonstrate to yourself and others how and why you reached your decision? Of course it will. Imagine the work scenario that keeps you awake at night. Colleagues can't agree on the issues, and your boss just wants the facts and data from you. Getting it wrong could prove costly. Or perhaps your family is at war over where to hold a wedding. Relationships are at stake. Decisions need to be made. The right ones, the correct ones. What would you do? With blood pressure rising and thinking even harder to do, the wrong decision is ironically even harder to avoid. Your boss is losing patience, or there are tears at home. Thankfully, there is a very easy way to use solution that will help you make an informed decision you and everyone else could believe in, strongly believe in. So, arm yourself with a weighted decision matrix template and get started right away. You will have a decision, you will be confident in it, and you will be able to demonstrate your thought process to others. Then all you have to do is to relax. So, what is a weighted decision matrix? A weighted decision matrix is a decision making tool used when there are several options to choose between. A scoring system is employed in which the factors involved in the decision are weighted so that their importance to one another is relative. Each option is then given a score against each factor, and a total score is reached that will indicate what decision should be taken. For example, it can be used in business to decide between two or more softwares to implement in your company, or it could be used at home to help a family decide where to go on holiday. The weighted decision matrix was invented by Stuart Puff, a former professor at the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow. A completed matrix allows you to see their options ranked and provides a basis on which to make a decision. Used in many different decision-making scenarios where there is a choice between options to be made when choosing where to go on holiday, for instance. See in the screenshot below how a weighted decision matrix looks like. So here on the left column, we have the decision marking criteria. Costs, weather, things to do, things to see, does this please everyone? The options are where to go in holiday, in Spain, in Greece, in France, or Australia. Every option has a score from 1 to 5 because we are talking about 5 criteria, and each criteria must have a score from 1 to 5 according to the importance in the decision making process. And each option has also a total. Then this total means multiplying the weighting factor with the score for each criteria. More details you'll have below at one of the last pages of this ebook. And I will strongly advise to watch till the end because everything will be very clear for you. When should you use a decision matrix? Use a decision matrix if you are deciding between multiple options, trying to turn a long list of options into a short one, wanting to make a final decision between options, going to present different options to other people, weighing up how important different factors are, and trying to take a logical, non emotional approach to the decision. A weighted decision matrix should be used to reach an answer when you have to make a choice between different options that provide a solution to your question or problem. For example, you need to pick a school for your child to attend, or you need to decide which software solution meets your employer's complex needs. Suddenly, there are many criteria to consider, and the weighted decision matrix come into play. Take the choice of the school. Criteria to consider would include the standard of teaching, the distance from home, are little Jimmy's friends also going to that school, the sporting facilities, after school care, etc. The weighted decision matrix allows you to weight each of these criteria by importance so that you can make a decision based on what are actually the most important criteria. Giving each criteria a value strips out some of the emotion involved when taking a decision because you are being honest with yourself about what really matters. Now, you can download the weighted decision matrix template and start to think about the decisions you need to make. Click the link below, download the ebook, and inside this ebook, you will have the link to the template of this decision matrix we are talking about. Also, in this ebook, you will find the right steps how to use the weighted decision matrix tool. You will have here the 6 steps in order to very easy and clearly use this matrix. Within this ebook, you have also how to optimize your weighted decision matrix and also the strengths and the weaknesses of the weighted decision matrix. All this information will help you make your best decision for any question you have regarding what to choose from many different options. Which one is the best for you? Which one is the most fit for you? And which one does resonate more with you? So, this is all about decision matrix tool. If you have questions, please send me a message to the email written here, gabriel.katona@topcoaching.ro. I hope you will use, and I am strongly advise you to use this powerful tool anytime you want to make a hard decision. To your best success, Gabriel Katona. See you soon. Bye bye.